Okay, what story you'll tell, Ate Rai?
The story of Mary and Joseph. Once upon a time, there was a carpenter named Joseph. Joseph was a carpenter. Then one day, he met a woman named Mary. Mary was a widow. Mary was a woman who was so beautiful. Joseph was in love with Mary, but he don't he admit that he would not see Mary, and not to tell everybody that she is in love with Mary. Then one day they had both. When Mary saw Joseph, she recognized that Joseph was in love with her. Then they are to meet each other. Then in the house of Joseph, soldiers are here. Then one day, when Mary was cleaning the house, an angel appeared to Mary. Mary had bowed down to the angel of the Lord, and the name of the angel is Angel Gabriel. Then the angel said, Mary, don't be afraid, Mary, you are being chosen by the Lord. And the angel said, you will become pregnant and you will have a child. Then Mary believed that she would have a son. Then the angel said, you will name your son Jesus. He will be the Son of the Highest. And the Lord and God will give his kingdom to him. Then Mary said, how can this be, for I am a woman? Then the angel said, you are chosen of God, and you will become pregnant. For 3 months you will have a son, and you will call him Jesus. Then one day when Joseph had so Mary that she is pregnant, he said to himself, from whispering talk to his mind, he said, Mary is now pregnant. Then I will run away from Mary. Then one night, when both of them are asleep, an angel Gabriel appeared to Joseph again. The angel said in a dream of Joseph, the angel said, do not be afraid to believe that Mary was now pregnant. Then, when one day they had both loved one another, Jesus was kicking in Mary's belly. Then one day, the governor said, "Go, put the people in the list in Nazareth. There are so many in Nazareth." Then, when Joseph had heard that Mary would be in the list, all pregnant will be in the list, he said to Mary, "Come, let's go to Bethlehem. There we will be saved." Then Nazareth and Bethlehem was too far to go. They had traveled for many years. They had traveled for many days. Then, when they saw Bethlehem, they are so happy to see the lights, inside the lights of Bethlehem. Then they entered Bethlehem one night. Then there was an inn there. Joseph had asked the inn, he said, "Do you have any room?" But the inn said, "There are so many people that had slept in my house. My bed is taken." Then the inn said, "You will go to the stable and there you can sleep." No. Then they go to the stable. Mary was soon going to have her baby. It is almost to come out in her belly. Then one day, Jesus had come out in the belly of Mary. Then they were so happy to see it. Then an angel,
Where was Jesus born?
he is born to the stable in Bethlehem. Now, rainbow. There was shepherds regarding their sheep in the farm. Then one night, an angel
Appeared.
appeared to the shepherds. The shepherds were afraid. The shepherds were afraid, and they were more afraid from the angel. The angel was so bright they couldn't see the angel because they are so bright light. Then the angel said, "Don't be afraid. I have good news for you. This night Jesus was born at Bethlehem. Go and see him. You will find him laying in a manger. You will be happy there, and you will see that he is the Son of God. You will recognize that he is the chosen one to be the Son of God." Then, when the angels had passed, they returned to heaven. The shepherds had hurried to Bethlehem. They wouldn't like to be late to see Jesus. When they got in Bethlehem, they saw Mary and Joseph and the baby Jesus laying in the manger. They were so happy to see him.
What did they give?
The shepherds.
They give what? Gifts? And
No, the wise men gave
the wise... Yeah, the
Then-
wise man.
Then
wise
one
men.
night, in east, some wise men saw a bright, shining star in the Bethlehem in east. Then they said, "Let's go and see
The baby Jesus.
the king, the
coming king.
the coming king." They had carried gifts to present to baby Jesus. They had walked from nights and nights. Then when they got in Bethlehem, the star had gone where Jesus was. When the wise men had got inside the house, they saw baby Jesus with his mother Mary. They bowed to Jesus and worshipped him and gave the presents to him. But Mary and Joseph didn't accept the gifts. They said, "That is all yours. We don't want to accept it." Then the shepherds and the wise men had been gone. They had returned to their place.
That is the story of...
Mary and Joseph. Okay, it's time to eat. It's time to eat. It's time to eat.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you.